It was a dry break once again. Again, you cannot move the cue ball. Only the referee can put the cue ball at a certain spot. Ikaw na bahala kung ano na diskarte mo.
Dun sa break, Noel.
Yeah, dun sa break.
Kailangan nasa gitna lang.
Oh, this is a great bank shot to open things up para kay Silvano.
That was a two-way shot. Another bank.
Opensa talaga eh.
And this time he gets it. Nicely done. Wow.
If at first you don't succeed, your name is L.A. Garde.
All right, now it's 2-1 in this race to 13, Noel. Nasa classic tayo.
Dinosphere. We're using
colors tayo.
We're using the actual, yung kulay na hanggang video games. Nagagamit pa rin natin.
Very classic. Bank combo. Is he? Oh, huli to.
Oh!
Nicely done. Wow. Another one from Galve. Rather, si Garde pala. Galve, meron tayong player na
John
Galve.
L.A. Gardes. This is his 5th consecutive appearance. Ayun.
Alright. Ay, hindi. Ayun, yun na nga mismo.
Ganda naman ang hanap ni
Very nice.
Baset doon.
Purple.
Sure ka?
Orange 5, purple 4.
Oy.
Very dangerous once na he gets
Ay,
into
naman.
that zone. He can go for the side. Same pocket for the 9.
Ayun, pwede rin.
Yeah.
The first break and run out of the night.
That's right.
Still available in the corner later on. But for this King of the Hill, getting from the 5 to the 7.
He's jacking up. So most
So
likely,
ayaw niyang
iiwasan
galawin.
niya.
Oo, ayaw niyang galawin yan.
There you go. So kaya. Who's
George
watching?
on the Zimatarsi.
Sure breed, Romel.
Oo. 2 balls away from victory number 1 para sa Quezon City Dragons. And this 9 ball to make it official. The Quezon City Dragons take this one, King of the Hill, 13-4.
Morta for the break. Once again.
Solid break yet again for Romile.
Made the 2. Tingnan mo naman yung pangunahing tira.
Isa yan sa mga pinapractice nilang advantage.
Yes, that's right. On the 4 ball now, Geronimo. Okay.
There you go. Baliwala lang. Parang
Diba?
talagang pinagandaan nila tong
Yun
gabing
na.
to.
Side for the 8 after the 7. Saktuhan lang dapat yung
Yun na.
pagtampal dyan.
Mukhang may lakad tong mga Quezon City Dragons natin tonight.
Eto na nga.
Take it one shot at a time.
That's right. Kailangan mong higpitan yung game mo. Pero at the same time, parang kailangan mo ding... So as a team, kailangan nagkakakonsultuhan sila sa magiging plano, magiging game plan. Parang aanin mo siya, pagsasabihan mo.
Usap na
Yes, may
nangyayari.
communication.
Yes. 7 on the side.
Ayan.
Yun na nga.
Kabila pala. So pinalagari pa niya yung pato pabalik.
Sa tirang yun. And 9 ball down for rack, the first rack of the night. Sa angle na to, parang hindi pa lusutin dun sa 9. Parang nakaharang ni 9 ng very, very slight. Isang roll lang. What a
Very
shot.
nice, very nice. So papabalikin na lang yung pato. Parang gusto niyang paikutin eh. Oh, wow!
Binang shot
Wow.
niya pala.
To thin the 6 ball.
Parang gano'n na nga.
No?
Kasi doon niya na pinalagay sa top left corner.
Grabe naman tong si Baseth.
Ayaw na nilang pakawalan tong rack na to. AKA the Tiririt.
Tiririt.
For this last shot for the 9. Binaliwala lang. Ginanon lang.
So let's see. Or baka opensa na doblete sa side.
Nating
Pwede
tulos
din.
naman daw sila. Let's see.
Ayan. So choice number 2. Para two-way shot. Wow!
Ayun na nga. Talagang pinapakitaan
Wow.
talaga tayo ng dunong dito. Ni
8 rin
Kingpin.
ata ba yung tinira niya kanina?
I
Ano?
think kanina isa is yun.
6.
And
Ayan na nga.
ball down dito sa Quezon City. Napakainit talaga.
Etong si Edgy na kakasargo lamang po ngayon.
Saktong-sakto. At yun, may pumasok.
Up and down for the cue ball.
Yun na nga.
Side for the 2. So an angled cut, 2 to the side. Again, papabalikin yung pato. Opportunities,
Yes.
pero unfortunately, hindi nga nila na-capitalize.
Yun na nga. Hindi pa nakakaabot ang
Yeah.
Quezon City sa 13 racks. No?
That's
So
right.
pwede pa.
Taking this one ball at a time sa 2. Sa kanila. Penge naman yan. Using his dominant arm.
And 9 ball down for the Hill.
I think he's trying to slowly drop the cue ball against the 1 ball and somehow
May
using
tago
the 6.
yung pato no sa 6.
Ay, hindi, pinalayo. Oh, kissing it
At
to make it.
nilaban. Yung ginawa niya doon, double purpose shot. Grabe.
Kalaki ng lamang ng QC Dragons. Nako, this could be it, guys. Sa nakikita ko dito, that this might be our final rack. May might pa rin. For QC Dragons, mukhang makakaisa na naman sila dito. Yan na
Diniin
talaga,
pa nga,
pinasayaw
gusto.
pa.
Look at the white. Ika
Oo,
nga.
look at the white.
Look
Look
at
at
the
the white.
Tinutok lang pala sa 9.
That's it. And that's it, guys.
Or you only shot in 3 balls. 8-9 kanina at 9 naman ng dulo. Parking it for the 3 ball. Ang liit-liit ng window.
The 4, he does not want to get behind the 7 or the 8
Oo.
to get the cue ball back up to the middle of the table para sa 6. Just like that. Konting kill shot lang dito. Nagmintis pa, ewan ko na lang talaga.
Tournament natin si Dominic Consulta. Ball in hand sa 9, nagbintis. Yun, hindi na nangyari yun. Para dito kay Mark E.J. Conanan.
Precision shot. There
Dali.
we go. Safety ang ginawa. Some strange reason he pockets this. The table is his.
Hindi. Tatago sa likod na 6. Abot ba? Kami backup.
Ang hirap pigilan yan.
2 rails. 1 rail lamang. Oh,
Ganda naman nun.
yan ang magandang pangsagot dyan.
Kunting
Mga 2 rails pa to eh. 1. Hindi. Direct contact lang. Oy, may tatago pa ba?
kanina talaga naman, oh. Kunti lang iiwas mo sa 4.
Makes good
Okay.
contact but does not get the pot. Is it coming back to the side?
Ang ganda naman ng buenas sa tira. Tanong, lulusot pa
Deep
sa
na
4.
dadaanan niya. May 4 dyan ha.
Oo. Oh, he will squeeze in and gets contact. Talaga naman! Anong depensa gagawin dito nitong si Baset? He went offensive. He went offense. Ayaw niyang isugal siguro dito. Inipit dun.
Ito, papakita na yata ito. Yan, kita na yan. Does he go to the side or does he go to the corner? He goes to the side. And itong si Baset mo kay Bat outlasting. Itong si Mark E.J. Conanan. Carabao watches on. And again, Baset mo kay Bat.
Option niya dito. Will he go for the combination?
He's
Hindi,
gonna hide
depensa pa
again.
rin. Sa likod ng 8.
Oh, pahirap na ng pahirap to. He's
Just
going,
one rail.
hindi,
he's going
iikot
two.
ng buong mundo yan. 1, 2,
Iikot,
3, 4.
Great
Contact.
shot.
Oh, and a counter
Great
safety.
shot. Wow. Wow. No.
Ngayon si Conanan, saan naman siya dadaan ngayon? There is a 1 rail kick making thin contact on the 1.
Good
Contact.
shot na naman.
Oh!
And he has 9 seconds left to do it.
Contact achieved.
Yeah.
Benta nga lang yung uno.
Depensa na naman.
Oh, good shot also.
Naku, dinikit
Good
pa.
shot. There's the contact on the 1.
Naku.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, but the problem is yung 2 ay naipit mo sa rail.
Diyan na.
Ayan na.
Eto na naman. Okay, 8 pumasok.
He has to take his shot now.
Eksakto. So 1 second, ginamit pa
wow.
yung 5. Ayan yung 9.
He has to make this shot.
Depensa muna.
Depensa. Taas ang plangketa dito nito si Emong using that. He wanted to get some contact on the 9 but
Tres lang muna titirahin mo.
ipasok yung kasi kaya.
Kaya?
And then he will look for the 3.
3 na. So walang 3-9
Oo.
combination. Just watch out. You don't want the cue ball to go with the 9 ball if in case that's the plan.
That's right.
For the win.
Mukaibat, 4-9.
He got it. Baset Mukaibat ending tonight's one-on-one session with another victory for the Quezon City Dragons, 13-8.
Totong tugatog itong si Romeo Silvano. Very nice. Wow.
Either an option to put it on the corner pocket or the side pocket.
Yeah, somewhere at the middle will do. Kung sakaling makuha nila to.
Kasi kunin na natin itong pagkakataon na to na lamang yung margin, 13 to
Oo.
3.
Mhm.
So it would be quite a breakthrough for the defending champions.
Pinuntahan ko sina Coach Jaynard. That's
Ng
right.
tagig dito sa ating Sharks Arena.
Galing pa kay Plong Plong.
Sweet sounding pocket coming from Demosthenes Plong Plong.
This is a big shot right here, partner. Pitik. Ooh, yeah. He needed... Okay. Alright.
Maraming salamat, Nine Ball.
Kung ikaw ay nasa koponan ng Taguig Stallions, ayaw mo makita yung mga ganung bagay naman.
Again, we mentioned earlier that this is the first
Konting.
konting kombinasyon lang.
Kombinasyon.
Konting pairing lang.
Oo.
Kasi only Quezon City so far has won back-to-back racks.
Trick shot yun.
Pag pinaulit kasi baka mamaya pumasok ulit.
The 9 pang mahirap ha. Tingnan natin. Pero dinala niya dito eh. Oh.
Pinadala talaga.
As a
Sinisipat na ni
combination
Baset.
na lang.
Oo.
Oo. Tirahin na ba ang 9? Or pasasayarin ba niya itong 6?
Shinorkat!
Okay. Grabe naman to, partner. So
Shinorkat!
6 na.
Able and capable eh. Kaya magsunod-sunod niya nila Brian Sagiped, nila EJ Conanan.
Tama naman yung sinabi ni Coach Jaynard talaga na wala silang ibang magagawa. Hindi.
Presented to you.
Yes, yes.
Diba?
And
Reminder guys, nakita niyo sa scoreboard kanina just below the shot clock. This is a race to 13. But with all the things,
smooth sailing, kumbaga, ang QC Dragons ngayon. Pa rin. That's right.
this is also partly sending a message. Manila MSW Mavericks.
Mavericks, yes.
This is sending a message eh.
That's right, partner.
Pero ang nagpaupo sa kanila, si Cap Edgy, saka si Tantan.
Kasi Tantan Tining. Oh, check
Oh,
this.
oh, look at the line, look at the line!
Nako! Oh my!
Almost!
Nako naman talaga.
Kaya lang, ang storya, it was a dry break. The 1 ball is so open and the 9 ball is near on the pocket. Kahit nakapikit, may papasok yan ng Taguig Stallions.
Ganun na nga, parang free throw na napakadali.
Si Romiles.
Romel Morta, so let's see kung madala nila ang QC to the hill. With this
Pasok
break.
ka, Tres!
Oh,
The 9 ball,
for
the
the
9
first
ball! A golden break!
For the
Finally!
first time sa season na to.
For the first time, this second season of the Sharks Billiard Association.
Sa
Pataas yung
pinapractice
probability.
nila.
Oo.
Yes, sa pinapractice nila. Kayang-kaya talaga.
Safety battle tayo dito.
Or hide behind the foul
Tago
ball.
muna, sabi ni
Yeah.
Baset.
Opportunities or iba pang
They'll actually go straight do sa long rail.
kinalawit na lang yung dos. Kaso
Kalawit
nga
na lang ang ending.
Not bad dito. Sa area na yan.
On
Yan.
that downside.
There you go. So ito, side drill to side drill. Pwede. Or all the way. Kaso nga lang ito. Ako. Or he can go the other way around. Ayun.
Yun yung magiging factor talaga.
Chess match. That's right. Parang chess naman talaga.
Oh,
Look at
that's
this
a
right here.
very good shot coming from Brian Sagiped. Problema lang, north and south ito. If there's some strength applied, control will be an issue.
LA Garde to attack. Ooh. Too thick of a hit.
Makapal pa.
Kaya naman ata.
Kaya.
Kaya.
Pasyal ang 4.
Tatapos ko
Kaya
sa
nga.
kaya, diba? Pwede nilang gamitin ito pang tago.
And they went for the safety. QC Dragons is just 1 rack away from getting a 4-0 advantage. Yung sapat na sapat lang eh.
Sak.
Ay, matagal pang matatambay dito. And with his pink wristwatch.
It ain't over till it's over. Putting the cue ball somewhere here in this area para
Yan kaya ang gagawin ni Tantan. Yup. Yan nga yung binigay kay Tantan.
behind the 8. Pwede naman.
Yun nga yung ginawa nila.
Time is of the essence. This is more like a hit and hope situation
Yep.
now for Taguig. Uh-oh.
Top corner pocket. Went straight.
Jay, this should be it right now sa latag ng mga bola.
Sabi mo na isang beses.
Tong corner.
Corner.
Naman tong
Oh.
8.
One of the longest, 21 racks sa tapos to finish in 21 racks as well in favor of the Quezon City Dragons, 13-8. Plong-plong siya naman ng sa Sargo ngayon. Ito, sige, usapang Sargo.
Oo.
Tagig naman ng sa Sargo ngayon. Tignan natin if they will break that rise. Oy, may pumasok yung Brown 7.
Okay. Nanonood sa atin dito, 68,000 na silang nanonood. Blessed evening daw. Oo.
Si Mr. and Mrs. Geronimo, ang ganda naman ng batak na
Teka,
ginawa
teka,
ni Plong.
teka.
Isang pabanda doon sa short trail para lumapit ng bahagya.
Yan.
Ayun yung pabanda. This could be the first time that the Stallions will start Taguig Stallions. It would be a big breakthrough for them. At least may Friday pa.
Oo.
This would be an easy pocket to that corner. Kahit nakapikit, kayang-kaya to.
Huwag naman.
Pasok pa din eh.
Hitting the one ball is not a problem, pero paano mo itatago ulit yan? And you have to also be sure na magandang contact mo kasi one slight error, that cue ball could go straight into the corner pocket. Ayun, trying to attack
Right,
the 7.
seven.
Maaga pa sa Amerika.
Catch-up viewing yan.
Yan, Baset.
Yellow one goes in. Opting to use that rail as a bridge para sa plaketa. Pinabatak pa, Noel.
No, wala na problema yan. Tapos na dapat itong rack na to sa gantong kalat.
Na mangyari yung break and run out.
Oo. Of course, alam naman natin kakayanan ng isang baset mo kay Bat na umabot all the way to the finals.
Ang Quezon City, ang laki ng lalamang nila.
Of SBA.
Yung season
Kahit
1, wala
season 1. 4-0 na lamang dito ng Quezon City and they are about to draw even dito sa ating King of the Hill.
Tatabla si Baset mo kay Bat.
Actually, naalala ko nung si Jaynard Orkay mamimili nung Wednesday ng, sa kanyang panglaban sa one-on-one. Huwag lang manggigil dito. Now he has to change. Kasi takbo rin ng Pamato Jay, magbabago because of this shot.
Pininahan.
Ayun.
It looks like they're gonna be back at track because again, how they started this matchup,
AJ Ong curses.
wala naman yung tao dito. Ba't pa natin na pag-uusapan?
We get it back for the 7 ball.
Niya ng iba pang ng additional pang challenges, di ba? Na kumbaga, nagkaroon lang ng front row seat si Cap Edgy Geronimo dito sa trabahong ginawa ni Emong Cunanan. Bro!
Yes.
Either sa Orange 5 o sa Purple 4.
Yun na nga, mukhang yung 5 yung pinakamadaling taguan dito but you need a lot of strength to do. Ay, hindi niya nilayo. Diyan na lang niya iniwan. I wonder how small that landing spot is para sa cue ball.
It's gonna be a huge gamble. Oh, he got
Okay.
it! Oh, he got it! Romelito got it!
Now, because of that, bukang-buka yung mesa. Talagang that was a high-risk, high-reward shot.
Demoralizing yun, oh.
Ako talaga, una kong option doon, depensa muna. Because this could be game-changing para kay Morta.
That's true. And naka-back-to-back racks kanina si Romelito. Got the black 8.
Oh, pocketing na lang talaga yun eh.
Yes!
Wala pong entrance fee ang panonood ng SBA Season 2.
Whoa! The
Ano
red
ba?
3
Parang
is
tatlo
gone.
eh.
Oh, tatlo actually.
Tatlo pumasok.
Red 3 is gone. The black 8 is gone. Orange 5 is gone.
Oo.
Ginawa nga ni Romelito.
Lahat ng lalaki, narinig niyo yun ha? Kikis muna kay Jay De La
Di
Cruz.
ba kay AJ Ong?
Hindi mo din.
Oh!
Dalawa.
May naiisip pala, may niluluto palang plano si Romelito. Ayaw pa niyang ubusin yung bola. Pinasok agad yung 9 ball.
Para dito from the 1 ball to the 2 ball. Ito yung key shot.
Tumingkayad lang yung plangketa din ni Romelito. But not a problem for Morta.
MVP of the week should be Baset Mukaybat. We did not see anymore kasi matagal na nga masyado nakababa.
Quezon City for this series, di ba? To the extras na yung kaya pang ilabas.
Could be the first team in SBA history to sweep an opposition.
Our friends from the Games and Amusements Board, yung mga nanonood sa atin.
Monday, Manila kontra Negros. Minumog pa ng konti pero tinanggap pa rin ang butas.
One more
from Quezon City when this 9 ball goes in. Tapos na.
Yes, indeed. Roman Morta and the Quezon City Dragons just made history